Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, I am ysay and I upload my travel videos every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to keep you updated. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I create this orangey look using my Colourpop Orange Blood palette. So this is the look that I have created. I'm gonna show you this palette and do a swatch and my final thoughts of this palette after the review. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial.
To prime my eyes, I'm using my MAC Painterly paint pots. Using my makeup brush, I'm just spreading it over my lids. This will make my eyeshadow last longer. With the Makeup Revolution Banana Baking Powder, I'm just gonna set my eye primer with this powder to have a smooth finish before applying my eyeshadows. Using my Morphe bluffing brush, I'm dipping it on the shadow You Feel Me and place it over my crease and blending it on my crease and in the inner eyelid for a transition shade. Blending and buffing it all out over my crease to reduce the harsh edges. Using my clean Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm buffing it over the crease and just smoothening the shadows. So my plan for today is I'm trying to do a halo orange kind of look for this video. Dipping more of the eyeshadows and just creating a depth over my inner V and my inner eyelids to create a halo look. Taking my Sigma smaller buffing brush, I'm dipping the brush to Kiss and Grind shadow and applying it over my crease. Blending and blending is the key to make a very smooth transition and just marrying the two shadows together. Now with the same brush, I'm just taking Zested and putting it over my eyebrows and cleaning some rough edges over the crease. Same brush, I'm dipping it to the shadow Mimosa Mummy and just deepening the crease for more pop of colors. With a clean brushing brush, I'm just cleaning up and buffering the rough edges over my crease. And I am taking my flat shader brush and dipping it over the e.l.f. shadow concealer, and I'm gonna apply it in the middle of my eyelids to create a halo look. So just dipping it gently and applying the concealer to my eyelids. Using my Real Techniques flat shader brush, I'm dipping it to the shadow Squeeze Me. It's a shimmery shadow and applying it over my lids for a pop of color and shimmer over my lids. And just tapping it gently and creating and building up the shadows over my lids. It's a very pigmented shadow, no fallouts, and yeah, the shimmers are so amazing. And using another buffing brush, I'm taking another shadow and just smoothing the transition between the inner and outer V. I'm just cleaning up some rough edges. Using my small pencil brush, I'm dipping it to the shadow Sun-Kissed, a very nice matte orange color, and just placing it on my waterline and connecting it to my inner V and just buffering it out to complete the look. So I think I'm satisfied with the look. Let me pop up my mascara, my eyeliner, and my false lashes, and I'm gonna give you the final look. And by the way, I'm using my Sephora fake lashes. So this is the final look, guys.
So this is the final look that I have created using my Colourpop Orange Glad Eyeshadow Palette. So I have been eyeing this eyeshadow palette in the Colourpop website for quite some time now. And finally I got this one with the rest of the eyeshadows. And I'm gonna link up here the holes, the eyeshadow holes that I've purchased at the Colourpop website. So this is one of them. This is a very nice orangey kind of palette, and this eye look that I have created is very wearable, especially spring or summer time. And if your vibe is this kind of orange look, it's so nice. So this is just a 9 shadow palette, and it comes with a mirror, and this is the shadows. I'm gonna swatch this one for you guys. So this is a 9 shadow palette. It comes with shimmers and matte, and this is very blendable, very easy to use, and like the pigmentation is very good. So I recommend this palette, and there are lots of raves about the Colourpop eyeshadow in the internet beauty space. So let me swatch to you this first one. This is you call the Creamsicle. So let me swatch this one. See the pigmentation. And then the next up is the Squeeze Me. Nice colors. The next is Zested. And when you swatch it, it's very soft. And the next row is Sun-Kissed. swatch. The next is a Clementine. This one in the middle. This is a pressed pigment. So with this one, just be careful with the eyes. Pressed glitters, I mean. So it's very glittery, but they said just be careful with the fallouts with the glitters because it might damage your eyes. So just be careful, wear it with caution. And the next is Sunkissed. Swatch it for you. And the last row is Tangerine Dreams. It's this one. Very soft. Let me swatch it there. Very nice pigmentation. The next is Mimosa Mami. Very nice orange greens. There. And the last one is Yeah, Kill Me. It's a matte color, very pigmented. So this is the swatches. Nice pigmentation, which mattes, shimmers, very nice ones. So my final thoughts, I love the palette, and I've been reaching for this one for quite some time now, especially summertime. And yeah, it is very good, pigmented, and worth your money. Very affordable. Colourpop is a very affordable brand which gives you a very good quality in their products. So yeah, you will never go wrong with your money. And I'm loving the packaging. Very handy, very sleek, and you can use this during travels, and you can create this beautiful look. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, guys.